Hello, my name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. Want to thank everyone for subscribing. We're up to 614 subscribers, and if you can subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Less than 20% of viewers are subscribers, so if you could help me out with that, and we could push it to maybe 50%, I'd reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so we're going to continue on with our certification exam prep. Or job interview prep. We're going to talk about mind mapping, or continue on with it. And we're going to add a couple more to our map that we've created. So our first concept for today will be import sets. So what is an import set? Basically, it's a way to import data into the tool. So I'm going to move that over to our mind map here. And if you're looking for it in the tool, the best way to find that would be to go to imports, data. So system import sets, here's your application. We just I'll click on load data as the first one. Also, we'll notice here that we have 3 modules underneath: load data, create transform map, run transform, which leads us to our next interview question, which would be what is an import set? So we're loading data. What are the stages, I guess, of an import set? We load the data, we create the transform map, and we run transform. And as I just showed you in the tool, it lines up pretty much that same exact way. So could be on the exam. If you're interviewing, they might ask you about that too, depending on the position. So our third one's going to be, what does coalesce do, basically? And it's a fields and unique key. It sets basically what coalesce does is when you're importing data into the system. Let's say you have a spreadsheet with user data. You're going to use coalesce to determine whether the data that you're importing should be treated as a new record or if it's existing. So whatever you define as your keys or your fields, the system's going to say, okay, these fields are unique keys, meaning that if they don't exist in the system, then we're going to treat this as a new record. If all those line up, meaning that they're already in the system, then we're going to basically say this is an existing record. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. And again, here's our 3 stages: load data, create transform map, run transform. Then when you create the transform map, you'll see that these related lists open. This field maps related list opens up. You have this new right here. When you click on new, it'll take you over here to this field map. This is where coalesce is. When you check the box, these are going to open up. There's also some more steps that you have to take with it for the fields. I won't get into that right here. If you are preparing for a job interview and you're interviewing for like an administrator position, then I would suggest that you look at the documentation. Again, if you can subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. My name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions. We've just unlocked the power of ServiceNow. Thank you.